Hi everyone. If you are a music lover and if you are listening the music from YouTube and as well as from Spotify, but you're not satisfied with the ads, if ads annoying you and you don't want to subscribe the premium package, so here is one app. You can listen unlimited music without subscription and without ad. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what is that. Just go to let me show first. Okay, I'll show you vi music so you can see. So for this you can go to the Google Chrome and type vi music apk. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description also. Vi music dot apk. Okay, if you search it, so you will find the vi music app. Okay, so you don't have to subscribe the premium and you will not see any kinds of ads. You cannot you don't need to hear any kinds of ad. Okay, so this is free, absolutely free. You can click it here and click on this latest version. Okay, and click on download. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so I'll show you in my download section. So vi music, so you can touch here and you can just so it's apk mode. Okay, just now it's asking the rar file. Okay, I'm going to open rar file, and if you don't see any kinds of things here, okay, dismiss. So here it's not showing anything, but if you go back, if you go back here in on up level, so you can see vi music 5.4. okay, so you can install easily. Okay, I have already installed, so I'll show you the interface. Vi music is here, just open it. You can search anything, any artist, any songs, and you can, for example, I'm searching here Toby Mac. Okay, best of Toby Mac playlist. So I'm going this one and I can play it. Any songs you can choose without ad. So enjoy your music. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.